How to fix Instagram notes feature not showing problem. For that, you need to simply open the Instagram at first. Once you get access to the space, simply you need to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. And what you need to do is simply you need to scroll all the way down and under how others can interact with you, tap on messages and story replies. Now you need to tap on show activity status. Make sure you have enabled both the option of activity status and so when you are active together. Come back. After you have done that, your problem might be fixed, but even if the problem has not been yet solved, then what you need to do is go to the Play Store or any app store. Now come back and you need to search Instagram to check whether you have any updates on Instagram. So next to Instagram, there is the open button. That means I have already updated my Instagram app, but instead of open, if there is update button, then you need to tap on update and make your app up to date. Once we are done with that, what you need to do, the last step, if the problem has not been yet solved, is go back to Instagram again. And when you get access to the profile page with the same method, you need to tap on three line at the upper right corner. And again, scroll all the way down. And under more info and support, tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Here you need to simply tap on report problem without checking. Now tap on include and continue. Here you need to briefly explain what actually happened or what's not working. You can simply describe the problem you are facing that hello Instagram team, the notes feature is not showing, so please help me to fix this issue. Thanks Instagram team. After you have written this, you can simply upload the attachment as well and tap on send button at the upper right corner. After you send the report, Instagram will definitely find any solution for your problem after a few hours. So this is how you can easily fix Instagram notes features not showing. Hope so this video was helpful for you. Like and subscribe if this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.